Hi, this is Dr. Mercola, and you've heard many times about the importance of your microbiome. Today, I'd like to give you some solid tips on how to improve this vital part of your health. The first step is really quite simple, and that is to avoid all processed foods and limit your sugar intake, as these feed disease-causing pathogenic bacteria. So eat real foods that promote beneficial bacteria. Once you have that strategy optimized, then you want to consider adding some beneficial bacteria, and the best way to do that is with fermented foods. And the process of fermenting foods dates back thousands of years and produces this metabolic magic on healthy foods. It increases the level of certain nutrients and improves mineral and antioxidant bioavailability. Now, fermentation also helps eliminate undesirable antinutrients and simple sugars, which can impair your body's ability to burn fat as your primary fuel. Now, there are a number of ways you can get the benefits from fermented foods. You can make them yourself by fermenting them using the bacteria which is already present in the food. But this comes with some downsides. It's called wild fermentation, and it may not be as reliable. Or an easier approach is to use starter cultures that reduce the time needed for fermentation, so it makes the process far more efficient and reliable. So we have a kinetic culture starter kit for fermenting vegetables or yogurt. And the starter kits also increase the vitamin K2 content due to the strains that are included in the kit. And we also have fermented supplements, which offer unique benefits. Now, 4 of my favorites are organic apple cider vinegar with ginger and turmeric. I love this one. It's such a useful mitochondrial support, and I use it daily when I'm at home. Fermented beets, which reduce simple sugars naturally found in beets from 36% to nearly 0. So you can get the benefits of the nitrate in the beets to turn into nitric oxide without the sugar that naturally occurs in beets. And then fermented broccoli sprouts, which are known for their incredible metabolic benefits because they have sulforaphane, glucoraphanin. It also includes the enzyme myrosinase to activate them. And finally, fermented black garlic for all the benefits from SAC, or S-allylcysteine, that's created in garlic during fermentation. So remember, once you optimize your diet, fermentation is a valuable way to improve the quality of your microbiome. And I'm so committed to the vital benefits that fermented foods offer that we plan on introducing even more to help you take control of your health.